All right, let's dive in. We're transforming your everyday teaching right into top-tier, inspection-ready learning experiences.
We spend hours planning, yet totally miss what inspectors are actually looking for. Because honestly, it isn't about writing endless paperwork. It's about purposeful, interactive learning design.
Start strong, use I CAN objectives, we can for guided practice, and you can for independent work.
Now, let's build that lesson using the 5E model. It's an absolute game changer for inspections. First up is engage. Hook them instantly with a real-life question or a snappy video. Pro tip here, use QR code polls or Mentimeter to grab live, immediate feedback right away. Next is explore. This is where your students take the wheel and become active investigators.
Tools like PhET let them experiment, and Padlet gives you visible, concrete evidence of that collaboration.
Then comes explain, but here's the catch. Make students share their understanding before you clarify anything. Remember this golden rule for inspections. Student talk has to be way higher than teacher talk.
Elaborate is next. Tie those concepts to daily life and cross-curricular links. Make it real.
Inspectors absolutely love seeing UAE integration. Connect your topics straight to local technology, environment, or industry. Finally, evaluate. And listen, this must be ongoing throughout the entire lesson, not just tacked on at the end. Keep them on their toes with quick exit tickets, Google Forms, and continuous self-assessments. You absolutely must plan for all learners. Give guided support, but push high achievers into deep problem solving. Keep everything tight. Your whole lesson needs a clear, strictly timed structure from starter to plenary.
For the plenary, get them reflecting. What's one thing learned, one interesting thing, and one lingering question?
Because true engagement means actively exploring and discussing with peers, not just passively listening to you. So, knowing inspectors want hard evidence of student impact, how are you going to transform your next lesson?